Alright, in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the bootstraps in Dreamweaver to create a template. So first we need to get on the virtual desktop. So my folder is here and all the files for this class is here. We have a landing page, we have family page, and we have within my next level, we have content image. Okay. I didn't process the image. So we start with Dreamweaver. First thing we would like to see is we need to make sure we are in the site. And once you're in the site, you will see the file under that site is all show up. Okay. So to create my next level site, we would like to create a new start from here actually. Create a template. Template actually have a different type. Basic type, bootstrap, different purpose, e-commerce, profiles, product, real estate, resume. I'm going to go with this, the product one. So the good thing about using Bootstrap is Bootstrap have built-in responsive site. For each of this is a maximum size screen. If this is the range, then they will reorganize the content. Okay. So to learn more about how Bootstrap is really working, we need to go to Bootstrap at bootstrap.com. They have document to show you. The easy way actually is get started. Yeah, same thing. You don't need to build this because Dreamweaver already have it. So you really just need to kind of learn what the purpose, what the meaning. For example, here, different layout for different size. When you know the X3, as small, you know what the size means. That's for the display. Large size, that's more like a desktop, laptop size. So that's the Bootstrap pre-built, predefined size. When your screen gets shrunk to smaller sizes, automatically take the different size, reorganize things for you. So all of this is already built in. Go back to our. So as you can see, if your screen size is large as a laptop or desktop, you can see the full menu here. And as you shrink the space, then the Bootstrap automatically make the hamburger menu for you. Okay. All right. So first thing first, I would like to save this Bootstrap template as a template file. Dynamic web template. The reason I save it as a dynamic web template is I want to create multiple HTML files based on the template. So I'm going to save this actually into a folder called templates. It's important to create a templates folder because that's where the templates will be loaded. So for our website, My Next Lab, we may need to have a multiple template. Just think about your menu bar. Before login, you will see on the right hand side probably have a login button, but once you log in, you're probably going to see another interface. You can have detailed profiles, reminders, because that's a personal profile and reminder, as well as the button log out. So I'm going to put here My Next Lab and then login DWT and save. So Bootstrap have a pre-built navigation bar like here. You can have a different style a navigation bar. Example, if you want to have instead of having a background darker, you can choose different color schema. Primary will be more secondary. Primary would be blue background. This color is all pre-built. So again, if you want to learn more about how am I going to know what color to use, so that's kind of the style. Color, okay, this is a color, customized color, different color, primary color, secondary color, successful warning. So it does have a different schema on this. You can learn more. And for different component, navbar is the one we're looking at here. That's a navbar. So if you want to have a local control of this style, you can create that local global control cascading style sheet to override the Bootstrap cascading style. We'll show you that later. I'm going to actually change the best color I would like to have. That's my favorite color. And then something you need to pay attention to is for Bootstrap, you want to change some component. You need to they support live mode instead of design mode. So you can simply change this. Oh, instead of bar, I want to have some other names or home. Want to have actually here. I want to have navbar, My Next Lab, and then here link. That's probably include about us, and the link here you can have profile, and then here I have local resource, So for the drop-down menu here, actually you can change the different items. For example, here decal health provider, and then the second one is college information or hair ad, college information, etc. So when you see, okay, and not sure about it if we need the search functions right now. We may don't need it, but let's keep it here. So search is here from the form to here. This is a form based. If you don't want it, you can just delete it. So where to see the whole component? When you look at right now, you're looking at this unordered list tag right here. The whole thing is highlighted in the square in the with the outline. That is the menu bar, and the menu bar right now is having 1, 2, 3 list, and the form is outside. So if I want to have a menu on the right, and I need to probably do something here. Let me see. Probably want to copy this. Insert after. Paste. But I don't need to have the full bar. Probably need to delete this. Delete the drop down menu, but I would like to have this, the very last one, saying login. Let's see if that's login. Okay, I want to move the login button actually to the right. So on the left hand side, the whole menu bar is trying to the margin right auto to make it line left, and so right here would like this margin actually left auto, then it should push that to the right. So now I can see my login button is right here. Okay, so I'm going to save this one more time, and for here the component inside, I'd like to actually clean that up a little bit. Oops, sorry. I don't think I need those component container as well. No. Okay, I'm going to stop right here because I may like to have a videos. And and something I like to do is here I would like to create an image logo.